Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about what happens um, when we increase the temperature. So you guys have seen this already. So we heat this, right? And increasingly, as we heat it, these balls here, which you guys know are neon, increasingly move around, right? So I increase the heat, right? You see they're moving faster and faster and faster, right? So it goes from solid, right? And now it's a liquid, right? You see it's starting to melt a little bit. It's starting to fill the bottom of the container, right? We know it's a liquid. So we're going to keep heating it, right? And now we got gas and liquid combination. Heat it, heat it, heat it, heat it, heat it, right? And then what's going to happen eventually, right? The more heat we put into it, the faster these little particles here of neon are going to be moving. And then eventually, they're going to start moving so fast, right? They're going to be putting pressure, right? We've all heard that term, pressure. So, and this is the reason for things like pressure, right? So, pressure is related to the number, Starly, the number of particles within a gas in a given area and how fast they are hitting the sides of the container, right? So we're going to increase the speed. These particles are going to be moving faster and faster. Right? Celsius. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster, right? So we're increasing the pressure, right? By increasing the temperature. And these things are moving faster and faster, right? So right now we're still 100 degrees below zero. We're going to keep heating it. And what's going to happen? What do you guys think is going to happen? Some of you guys have seen this already. So give it another second here. And they're putting pressure and pressure and pressure and pressure and pressure and pressure and pressure. Right? More heat, more pressure. There we go. So, all right. So this is just like we talked about in the doorbuster, right? So these swing around, wham, hitting the sides at the top, and then eventually it pops, right? Because these things are moving so fast and they're in a confined space that's how it works.